absolutely breathtaking, yes. Awesome. Hey, all you metal mixers, it's your old pal Jennx and
Darkj.
How you guys doing on this happy 4th of July? Already 1 year for this channel. We dropped this 1 year ago today. This channel dropped, so
Yes.
we're somewhere today. So where are we, Darkj?
We are in Mauch Chunk, aka Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And we love it here. This is one of our favorite towns.
Absolutely.
And she loves it here. I love coming here. I've been coming here for years. And
You can drop a pretty penny in these shops. I'm
Yes,
telling
you
you
can.
that right. Yep.
And this
yep.
is what, your second time being here?
Second time being here.
Yeah.
Second time in this store.
So
let's flip it around. And
yeah,
see what
we're going
store
to,
we're talking about.
I'm going to come out here. And which way is up? That way.
You know a little bit more about the store then.
Yes, this is the, I don't know why it's backwards. That's weird. But this is the Emporium of Curious Goods store, Jim Thorpe. And this is one of my and our favorite places to shop.
You could drop some serious bucks in there. It's an
Absolutely.
absolutely wonderful store. Let's see. Let's head down this way and see
Yeah, we're
what
going
else is
to,
here.
I'm going to flip this guy around. Hoo-yah! So yeah, this is right across the street. We got the inn, the Mauch Chunk inn. And we got the treasure shops down there on the corner. And then we come further up, we have the Soundcheck Records, which I'm going to squeeze through here because people, I guess it's very busy here today. And
There is a place called Bear Appetit,
yes,
the gem shop.
so here's the Soundcheck Records, which they don't really have anything.
They don't have nothing that you would.
No, like here, I'll take a gander here. We got stuff like this. So, not really nothing.
that anybody would care for,
No.
really.
Oh look, that's pretty hot. No, not really.
Right?
Yeah. And yeah, Bear Appetit.
And then they got the gem shop. And then Antonio's is
Yes.
down the street.
Post Mortem Portrait Parlor. At the gem shop, and we just got done eating at Antonio's Pizzeria, which is
Coming
right
right up
down
here.
here.
But my mom's like,
But yeah, it's the treasure shop's right over here, and that's an awesome place. Got a lot of cool fairy and Celtic stuff there, as well as the Emporium, which we were at earlier.
That we just left.
Yeah, I have a lot of like cool, awesome stuff there.
And then there's the Rainbow's End, which is a candy shop.
Yes,
So
I think we
gonna
were
go-
in there last time.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yes.
So we're going to cross the street. And there's Antonio's.
Yes, here's the Antonio's. Awesome place here.
And
A lot
we'll
of
cross the
New
street.
York style pizza and stuff. We're going to cross Broadway. Hold on, we got cars coming. Alright, okay to cross. So here's the treasure shop. So we're going to venture inside here and get another good look around here real quick. That's the only red light in town. Well, not counting the one in Jim Thorpe, which is up the road about half a mile. But this being the Mauch Chunk area, that's the only red light. So, switch back.
There you go.
All right.
So we're going to go check out a few places and we'll be right back.
Absolute. All right, so it seemed like it calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, it did.
It's like 3:30 in the afternoon now.
Hold on.
Yep, we got a biker coming. Holy shit. Okay.
Okay. So we're in front of what place?
This is.
The Young Men's Christian Association.
How the hell did we get there?
I don't know.
I don't know either. There we go. No, there we go. The Cellar Beef Wine House. I just love that artwork. So
And
cool.
look at the address.
And look at the address. 69 Broadway. Let's go. Yeah, that's where we're at.
So let's walk and we're going to head towards the bookstore next.
Yes. The bookstore. And look, there's Jenny. She's actually walking faster than me. Holy shit.
We're going to head in here now.
Yeah, it's a.
Selfie spot.
So yeah, it's just called I Books. There we go. Right?
Right?
Victorian Homes Tour. So yeah, looks like there's a lot of books and stuff in here, so
We're gonna go in and
we
check
are
it out.
going to go in
And check it out.
and check it out. Alright, so in front of us now, we have the Jennx Memorial Library here in Jim Thorpe.
And the date is up there on the top of the roof, the time they
Yes.
built it.
If you can see that.
That has to be
The MD, I forget what D is.
Yeah, but
C's.
C's are 100. L's 50, I know that. X is 10. And then IX is 9.
1889.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, it's 1889.
1889.
Jennx
So.
Memorial Library.
There you go. Here, let's get Jenny in the
Yeah,
picture here.
that's old.
It's all.
It's not open though.
No.
Nope. And then if you
not.
pan around here this way, you'll see in the back of us.
Oh yeah, the other back. So up there, above that wall there's Race Street. And there's a couple shops up there. Not nearly as much as here on Broadway, on the main drag. But yeah, pretty cool. And we're just in the bookstore, which is over yonder. And yeah, we're down here on 55 Broadway now. And
We're gonna take some more video.
yeah, and there's Antonio's. We were there earlier, so we're going to continue down Broadway here and finish up. Okay.
Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up today in Jim Thorpe,
Yes.
Pennsylvania. We had a good
Absolutely.
time on the 4th of July
We did.
and celebrating this first anniversary of this channel.
Yes.
Had a good time and spent some bucks.
Spent some bucks. Some
Spent some bucks, yeah, right?
Yeah.
So if you happen to like this video, please give it a what?
Thumbs up.
Push that what?
Notification bell.
Subscribe to our channels.
Yes. Share it with anyone.
Who you might think would like our wild and crazy content.
Yes.
Okay, let's end this.
Let's do it.
Always look good, always do good, always be your best, do your best, whatever you do in life, live it loud.
Live it loud.
If it's too loud, you're too old.
Yes.
2, smell good.
Yes.
Don't be a ranky rank skanky skank, right?
Right.
And 3, chains hanging.
Chains hanging.
Until next time's video.
Next time's
We don't know
video.
when.
Yes.
It'll be soon.
It'll be soon.
Catch you on the next one.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.